This is the exact strategy I use every single day to trade the biggest stocks in the market, like this stock today that ran over 100%, and knowing when to walk away too. Knowing when to walk away is all about identifying front side versus back side. That stock here today was SLGB. I traded it here, and this is exactly how. And how I knew to stop trading it right here. So what I saw here is we had this flat top high and these higher lows coming down beneath, putting in place this really tight wedge. And so I was watching it for a possible breakout setup if we got over this past high, and we did. So the game plan here was pretty simple. Watch for a break over the previous high of day, then watch for price to pull back and confirm. So price breaks out and pulls back off of VWAP. We see it put in place this double bottom on the 1 minute time frame where I take my entry. Then I get a squeeze up through the previous highs, and again I get my stop loss raised to the bottom of this breakout candle and just let price trail higher. That ended up being a super simple big win, but that's just where it got started. After the first win, which I took right here, price then pulls back off the 90 MA, which as you know, the 90 MA and VWAP are my best friends. This thing pulls back off of VWAP, puts in place a perfect doji candle, signaling indecision to the downside. I take the entry, stop loss goes at the bottom of that candle at 370, so looking for the range to the whole number level overhead of $4 a share. And so as you can see, price pulls back and confirms off the 90 MA. I nail the entry there with a stop loss right there underneath the 90 MA. Then this thing gets going up through the high of day as planned, where I take a full profit over $4 a share on this big pop through the highs. Watch it break 4, and then watch buyers swarm in right there. So I had 3 wins on this, right here, and right here. And knowing when to walk away is all about identifying the overall trend and structure of the move, which as you can see, we had trendline support down here off these past higher lows, which as you can see broke to the downside here, which is where you leave it alone. But the very first red flag to begin leaving something alone because momentum has left the building is when that 90 EMA crosses beneath the 20 EMA. As you can see here, the whole entire way up, the 9 is above the 20. As that 9 crosses below the 20, it is time to walk away. Now hopefully you stop over trading and giving back profits.